Hey guys, it's that pumpkin season again, so today I'll be sharing with you a really tasty recipe called pumpkin cake. Now this cake is not a dessert, it's a savory dish that is perfect if you want like a tea time snack. First of all, let's get the flesh out from our pumpkin. Did you know that I used to be a taekwondo master? Look at this. Awesome, right? How cool is that? It's a lot easier to just cut it with a knife. Seeds out, and that is all the pumpkin that we need, guys. Now we're just gonna cut this into smaller cubes. All done for our pumpkin. Now the next step, let's do the topping. Gonna turn up the heat. I'm gonna pour in some oil. Spread the oil evenly. So our pan is ready. I'm gonna add in dried shrimps to stir fry it. Now if you can't get hold of dried shrimps, or if you're on a plant-based diet, don't worry, use extra firm tofu, crumble it up and add a bit of soy sauce to let it marinate for about an hour before you do this. Alright, now dried shrimp is the one that's gonna give it a nice savory salty flavor. You can get dried shrimps in the chill aisle of most Asian grocers. And then I'm going to add in 1 big tablespoon of Mak Tok's fire chili paste. This is the one that's going to give it a nice bold flavor. There we go. It smells gorgeous in my kitchen. You get like a nice aroma from the garlic, from the chilies, as well as a bit of a nice smoky flavor. I'm going to transfer everything onto this plate right here. So, there we go. Now we're not going to wash our pan, we're just going to throw in our pumpkins in there to absorb all the lovely flavors from our dried shrimps. I'll normally add a bit more oil to it. Stir fry this pumpkin for about 5 minutes. Right guys, over here I've got some water. Now to that water, I'm going to be adding in this. This is cornstarch, adding in cornstarch to my water. Next, I'm gonna add in some rice flour. Woo. And a pinch of salt. Just gonna give this a good mix with a fork. And then I'm gonna pour this mixture into the pan together with the pumpkin. So we're gonna gently stir fry this until it thickens up. This is what you should get, like a nice thick. I'm gonna turn off my heat and take something that you can use to steam. Now I'm gonna put a bit of oil to this so that it's easy for us to take it out later. There we go. Just gonna scoop this. Here we have it. So here we go guys, we're gonna steam it in our steamer. Beautiful pumpkin cake. We're gonna let it steam for 35 to 40 minutes. Now if you're ever going to be steaming something for more than 15 minutes, just make sure to come back and check on every 15 minutes and add hot water to it. Alright guys, it's been 40 minutes and let's take our pumpkin cake out. Ta-da! Look at that! There we go. Top. Flip it over. Right, I'm gonna slice up some fresh chilies. That should be enough. And I've got some spring onion over here. We're gonna add our dried shrimps on top. Some fried shallots, fresh chilies, spring onion. There we have it guys. This is my delicious pumpkin cake. The pumpkin itself gives it a nice sweet flavor and the topping just enhance the entire flavor. Now if you've got hoisin sauce at home, try that hoisin sauce with this. It tastes amazing. This is my pumpkin cake recipe. If you've got any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!